Good morning, cadets. Today, let us discuss multiple choice questions on the lesson The Tiger King. Multiple choice questions are very important due to the pandemic. During this pandemic years, a number of questions of this type are being asked in the examination. And this year, CBSE has announced that there are going to be two terms. And in the first term, you are going to come across only multiple choice questions in the term and examination of the first term. So therefore, at first we'll take up multiple choice questions on this lesson, and then in the next session we'll discuss the short type as well as long type answer questions. So let us go ahead with multiple choice questions on the lesson The Tiger King, written by Kalki. Question number 1. How many surgeons were summoned to attain the king? A 3, B 7, C 9, D 13. At first you try to answer these questions, and then we'll discuss the answers. How many surgeons were summoned to attain the king? So how many surgeons were called to attain the king? Question number 2. Identify the literary device in like quills all over it. A metaphor, B simile, C alliteration, D personification. Let's go to question number 3. The wooden tiger was carved by a master craftsman, an unskilled carpenter, the shopkeeper himself, a British carpenter. Question number 4. The original cost of the present was 2 annas and a quarter, 2 annas and a half, 1.5 annas, 3 annas. Question number 5. How old was the king's son? 1 year old, 3 years old, 5 years old, 7 years old. Question number 6. The 100 tiger had been shot dead, fainted, disappeared, been set free. Question number 7. The old tiger had been brought from Calcutta Park, Business Park, Leisure Park, People's Park. Question number 8. The frustrated Tiger King asked the Diwan to resign, to go to far off places in search of a tiger, to invite the British officer to get a tiger from the Madras Zoo. Question number 9. Maharaja, on not finding the last tiger, went to the Madras Zoo, terminated the services of many officers, went to live in the jungle, gave up the idea completely. Each time the Maharaja visited his father-in-law's kingdom, he killed dash tigers. Question number 11. In 10 years of hunting expeditions, the Maharaja killed dash tigers 30, 50, 70, 90. Question number 12. Maharaja and Diwan dash the British officer to save the kingdom. Entertained, bribed, pacified, confronted. Question number 13. Dash became the king's main occupation. A. English, justice, governance, tiger hunting. Question number 14. A high-ranking British officer wished to go on a tiger hunting expedition to the jungle and investigate the decrease in tiger population and remove the tiger king. So why he wished to go on a what? Question number 15. The astrologer stated that he would dash if the king killed the 100 tiger, leave the state, kill himself, cut his hair, denounce the world. I hope you have tried to attempt these 15 questions. Meanwhile, we'll check the answers of at first all these 15 questions which we have seen, and all these questions are multiple choice questions. I hope you have been able to attempt most of these questions. So let's see the answers of these questions. At first we'll see the answer of first question. So how many surgeons were summoned to attain the king? So how many surgeons? 3 surgeons. So answer is A, 3. Let's go to the second question. Question number 2. Identify the literary device. In like quills all over it. I'm quite sure you must have found the answer very easily because the word like is there. In which figure of speech like will come? What is literary device? Literary device is figure of speech. Metaphor is direct. Yes, metaphor is again comparison. We use in order to find a particular similarity there. And simile is also figure of speech. Now here, in the case of simile, we use like or as. So therefore, what is the answer here? B is the answer here. That is simile. So answer is B. Let's move on to the third question. The wooden tiger was carved by. And what has happened? Because of that wooden tiger, sliver pierced. And as a result, what has happened? The tiger king died. So what is the answer? An unskilled carpenter. That's why many slivers were left out. Let's go to the next question. Question number 4. The original cause of the present was. So what was the cause of the present actually? And what was the actual cause? 2 annas and a quarter. Let's go to the next question. How old was the king's son? So how old was the king's son? And he was 3 years old. And what gift he had given? Wooden tiger toy. That was a gift given to this 3-year-old child. Question number 6. The 100 tiger had been shot dead, fainted, disappeared, been set free. What had happened to the 100 tiger? It had fainted when the tiger king had shot it. So let's go to the question number 7. The old tiger had been brought from where? It was brought from Calcutta Park, Business Park. So it was brought from People's Park. So let's go to the next question. That is, the frustrated tiger king asked the Diwan. And he asked the Diwan to what? To resign in case if he doesn't find the 100 tiger. And that's why somehow he managed to get the 100 tiger from the People's Park. Maharaja, on not finding the last tiger, so what did he do? He terminated the services of many officers. So he suspended many officers because he was very angry. And each time the Maharaja visited his father-in-law's. So what he did? He killed how many? 5 to 6 tigers. So let's go to the next question. Question number 11. In 10 years of hunting expeditions, the Maharaja killed how many tigers he killed? He killed 70 tigers. And after that, he thought of marriage. Maharaja and Diwan dashed the British officer to save the kingdom. So Maharaja and Diwan, what did they do? They bribed. And how? They have given diamond rings. What they have given? They have given 50 diamond rings, expecting that probably the officer would keep one or two. Dash became the king's main occupation. What became the king's main occupation? Hunting, right? Tiger hunting. Let's go to the next question. Question number 14. A high-ranking British officer wished to go on. To go on what? A tiger hunting expedition. A tiger hunting expedition. And now let us see the last question. That is question number 15. And let's see the answer for this 15th question. The astrologer stated that he would dash, he would cut his hair, cut his tuft that refers to the hair. So now after these 15 questions, we will go to the next question, that is question number 16. The state astrologer predicted that no harm would come to the Tiger King till the killing of dash tigers. Till the killing of, yes, how many? 99 tigers. So it's the 100th tiger which is going to kill him. Let's go to next question. What character trait of the prince is revealed when he utters the word "let tigers beware"? Is it humility? Humility refers to what? Humbleness. No, he was humbleness, modesty. He was not humble. But what it showed arrogance. Yes, he was very arrogant, rude. So let tigers beware. He was overconfident. Pride, and at the same time there what we can see? There we can see kind of arrogance, rudeness also. So that both combines in the word arrogance. He was proud of himself, at the same time he appeared to be quite rude, ill-mannered. So the right answer is arrogance. Okay, we'll go to the next one now. How old was the prince when he ridiculed the astrologer? How old was the prince when he ridiculed the astrologer? He was 10 days old. How old he was? He was 10 days old. Let's go to the next question. The Maharaja of Dash is the hero of the story. So the Maharaja of Ramnagar, Pratibandhapuram, Paltipuram and Pritamgarh. So I am quite sure it's simple question. The Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. Yes, let's see the answer. Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram. Let's move on to the next question. Kalki, the author of the Tiger King, has used as a background days of Dash kings dominating their subjects. Just king, was he just king? No. Brave king, yes, he was brave, but more better is eccentric, or gullible is believable. So eccentric would be, yes. So whims and fancies. So the kings were such that they were very whimsical. What shows the false ego and pride of the king in the story? False ego, that's why arrogant ego. His killing of tigers and no concern for nature. His desire to marry, his orders from time to time. And his killing of tigers. And no concern for nature, indiscriminate killing of tigers for his own sake. So let's go to question number 22. What literary device has been used in the story? So is it metaphorical expressions, irony, sarcasm? So let's see which. So what is it? It's an irony, isn't it? It's irony, it's a satire. So that literary device that has been used by the writer. So ironical situation you find there. Now here he killed 99 tigers. He was quite brave. But it's a wooden tiger which has killed him. So ironical situation you can see there. What birthday gift did the Maharaja present to his 3-year-old son? So what is that gift? Gold coins, forest, a toy tiger. So toy tiger. Let's go to question number 24. Why did the king send rings to British officials' wife? To save his state and to please the British? To invite them for hunting? No. To invite them for a feast? No. To find more tigers. So what is the right answer? I am quite sure you know the answer. Answer is A, to save his state and to please the British. Question number 25. Why was the Maharaja so anxious to kill 100 tiger? To ensure his safety and to prove prediction wrong, to prove his hunting skills, to prove his power, to ensure his safety and to prove prediction wrong. So, okay, let's go to question number 26. What did the Maharaja do to ensure his safety? He owned tigers, married a princess, prohibited British officer to enter his territory, he killed tigers. So what did the Maharaja do to ensure? So what he did? He killed tigers. So he was concerned about his own safety, isn't it? What is the irony in the story? King's desire to prove predictions wrong, king's desire to marry, king's desire to kill tigers. The king killed 99 tigers, but died because of a toy tiger. And that is the irony here. That's an ironical situation here, right? So, very important question here. Question number 28. Why did Maharaja put a ban on tiger hunting in his state? To prove the prediction wrong, to prove his power, to show his love for animals, his kindness towards the animals? No. So right answer is to prove the prediction was wrong. And what was the prediction? That he would be killed by the tiger. Who actually shot the 100 tiger? One of the hunters who accompanied the king, a soldier, king's guest, British high official. So the answer is A, one of the hunters who accompanied the king. Right. Who became the cause of king's death? A tiger from his wife's forest, a tiger. So the cause of, and yes, the right answer is the wooden tiger from the toy shop. He was brave enough, he was courageous enough to kill 99 tigers, but it's the wooden tiger which has been responsible for the death of the king. What is the theme of the story? Desire of power, desire to have power for one's selfish interests and not for the welfare of the people, desire to help others. So the right answer is desire to have power and for one's selfish interests, for one's vested interests. When did the prince marry? At the age of 20, when he killed the first tiger after killing all the tigers in the state. After killing all the tigers in the state. So let's go to question number 34. Yes. Question number 33. At what age the boy crowned as king? At what age he was crowned? He was crowned at the age of 20. Question number 34. How did the child grow? Drinking goat's milk like other royal children, drinking buffalo's milk like other royal children, drinking cow's milk like other royal children, drinking buffalo's milk. So let's go to the next question, that is, what did the astrologer predict? The boy will be king, yes. The boy will visit the world. The boy will be killed by 100 tiger, right? That's the right answer. We'll go to the question number 36. Who was Durai Sani? She was an old lady, a young lady, a greedy woman, wife of a high rank officer, British officer. Okay, question number 37. Under whose rule were the kings living? Sovereign rule, queen's rule, king's rule, under the thumb rule of the British, under the thumb rule of the British, under the guidelines of the British, under their rule. On which issue is the story The Tiger King? A satire on people, on animals, on birds, on the false pride, ego, and stubbornness of the powerful people. So that is the right answer. On the false pride, arrogance, ego, stubbornness of the powerful people. Let's go to the question number 39. From where did the author derive his name? From the prefix of his name, from the suffix of his name, from the suffix of his wife's name, from the suffix of his and his wife's name. So the right answer is from the suffix of his and his wife's name. So from where did the author derive his name? And let's go to the question number 40. That's not okay. Who is the author of The Tiger King? So let's go to this question. Question number Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurti, Charles Dickens, Kamala Das, none. So the right answer is, what is the right answer? Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurti. So Ramaswamy Iyer Krishnamurti is the writer of The Tiger King. And what is his pseudonym and what is his pen name? His pen name is Kalki. Well, thank you. Goodbye.